St. Louis first forecast.
Good afternoon, St. Louis. Thank you for checking into your latest St. Louis video forecast for Thursday, March 20th, 2014. It is the first day of spring. Thank you so much, and it's awesome. And we're finally out of winter. We're finally out of the cold winter pattern that we've been having for the last 3 months. Basically, it's been snowy, cold, brutal temperatures, snow days out the wazoo. State's going, what's going on with the snow days? And schools are like, we can't help it. Anyway, though, we're finally out of that pattern. We're finally getting into a warmer spring pattern. It's going to be dry and warm. It could have a little bit of a chilly start next week with highs in the upper 40s. We'll talk about that in just a second. But again, it was a nice day today. 67 in St. Louis, 68 in Collinsville, 67 in Belleville currently, 68 in Waterloo, 68 in Rolla, and 66 measuring in at Union. So again, across the area, basically lots of sunshine, warmth, and plenty of spring airs here. Our high today was 70 degrees, and that was reached at about 4 o'clock. We'll talk about that in just a second. Currently in St. Louis, west winds approaching at 10 to 15 miles per hour. 67 will do it for the high with mostly sunny skies. Barometric pressure is steady at 30.00, and the humidity is good at 20%. So again, dry air, dry air, dry skies, sunshine, beautiful day and beautiful evening to be out and about in St. Louis. Again, you don't need a jacket. Look at that, 67 degrees in St. Louis right now. So again, it's going to be pretty nice. Just no jackets, just sandals, shorts, short sleeves, whatever you want to do. Just enjoy it while you can, because it could change it a little bit. Not too bad, though, across the bi-state area. Our St. Louis Almanac for you guys shows this. I'm going to talk about this kind of interesting temperatures. Our high today was 70 degrees, and that was reached at 4 o'clock today. Our low this morning was at 26 degrees, and that was around midnight or so. Then our look at our average highs. Our average high is almost to 60 degrees, with our average high at 59 degrees for this time of year. Average low is 37 degrees, so again, these two numbers right here, they're above freezing, they're awesome, so we're not even supposed to get snow this time of year. Now, we usually do. I'm seeing maybe a chance of snow maybe once or twice in the forecast. It's not going to accumulate at all. It's maybe some backside stuff. But even then, I'm not even sure. Our record high set back in 1948 was 82 degrees. Our record low is 17 degrees, set back in 1965. Our sunrise at 7:05 and our sunset at exactly 7:13 p.m. So, spring is definitely here. You got longer days, you got sunshine, you got warm temps. Put all those together, you got nice family fun in St. Louis. And let's get our radar right now. Look at our radar. Nothing in the way of any precipitation across the area. This is at exactly 7 o'clock this evening. So again, lots of clouds, you know, off to the east, but lots of sun right here. So no precipitation. And basically none of the forecasts too. We'll get to that in just a second now. Now let's go to our warmer weather. So here comes Friday. Now look at this. Warmer weather on Friday is on tap. Now here's that cold front right here. This is today. And this is that warm front right here. There's a cold front out to the north. But we're going to stick to this warm front right here. So watch this warm front comes. This is Friday. Now watch this warm front. It pushes into St. Louis area. And as that pushes in, there's that warm front. And as that warm front pushes in, we got warm temperatures across the area. Highs about 80 degrees tomorrow. It's pretty nice in St. Louis. So again, spring's like, I'm here, get out winter. And we got 80-degree days coming up. So again, that warm air pushed in, and it's going to bring our chances for some warm weather on Friday afternoon on tap. But then here comes another cold front. Now, it's not really a giant cold front. It'll basically dip our temperatures back down into the upper 40s to low 50s for Saturday and Sunday through about Wednesday or so. It's not going to be too cold, but a light jacket sort of thing is probably necessary. So here comes that cold weather, and it's going to return on Friday night. So here comes that. So as you see, kind of this warm front stays here, and then so this warm front is basically it's going to push off to the basically to the northeast. So that warm front's going to push up to the northeast, places like Ohio around there. Then here comes that cold front. This cold front's going to dip down in St. Louis, and as that kind of comes down, that's going to come crashing down. Little to no precipitation with this front. We could see a stray shower or so Friday night. So I'm leaving that shower chance Friday night, maybe a stray flurry, but other than that, nothing too substantial. So as that cold air pushes in, it's not a giant cold front, but again, it has upper 40s, lower 50s for basically Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Alright, so first of all, our evening planner for you guys shows this. 6 o'clock p.m., we're sunny and exactly 62 degrees, sunny and warm. As we go through to 9 o'clock p.m., we're clear, and it's basically very pleasant outside for this time of year. 9 p.m., 53 degrees with some mostly clear skies. As we head to midnight or so, 48, clear and not too cold. So again, your evening planner is sweeping up pretty nicely across the area. 6 p.m. 62, then we go to 9 p.m. 53, and 12 p.m. we're at 48. So not a bad evening on tap in St. Louis. Our tonight's forecast in St. Louis, that's forecast low 40 degrees, southwest winds approaching at exactly 5 to 10 miles per hour. Not too cold, it's pretty pleasant outside. Tomorrow's forecast for you guys, look at that high of 80 degrees. 80 degrees I have tapped for tomorrow to that sunshine and the southwest winds. So basically there's going to be a bunch of winds. Tomorrow's forecast 80 degrees. West winds approaching at exactly 10 to 15 miles per hour. And it's going to be pretty nice outside, very warm for this time of year. Our 7-day forecast for you guys shows very, very nice temperatures for Friday. Then as we go to Saturday, there's that cold front. Our high on Saturday is 55 degrees. Sunday's high 44 as it gets a little bit colder. Monday's high 42. Tuesday's high is 43. 48 on Wednesday and 61 back up on Thursday. So again, the few days next week is going to be decent. It's going to be a little bit chilly, but we're not seeing anything below freezing, so that's good. Looks like spring is here to stay in St. Louis. So anyway, just enjoy your evening out and about in St. Louis, and thank you for tuning in to the latest St. Louis video forecast. Have a nice night. We'll see you back here tomorrow.